Yes, I got it. The Pebble Time is being shipped to me now.
What, that thing? Why do you think that's going to be any good?
The Pebble Time is the smartwatch we've been waiting for. The display looks great, it's simple to use, the battery life lasts for days, and it all comes at a reasonable cost.
So who exactly is waiting for a smartwatch? Vendors have been trying to nail this product down for years, only to realize they don't sell. Microsoft in 2004 launched smartwatches. They actually partnered with watch makers like Sunto and Fossil. I actually had one of the original Sunto smartwatches. It's now at home collecting dust. They realized after a few years of heavy losses that no one wants them. It seems like the vendors every 5 years have this bright idea, let's make some smartwatches, and only realize that they don't sell.
It's already a commercial success. The Kickstarter campaign shows that. It's raised $16 million from 64,000 people willing to back this thing, even though it hasn't even shipped yet. I mean, it nearly brought Kickstarter to a halt the day it launched.
As you know, Brian, I'm a watch collector, and I actually own one of these Pebble watches. But it's other people who wear them, not business people. They're trying to make it a tank watch, but it's not sleek enough. You know, tank watches should drape on your wrist and make it look like a bracelet.
Look, this watch is fashion friendly. If you want a more professional look, you can get the Pebble Steel. It has the metal case and a proper grown-up band. And there's lots of different colors of band you can get, and they're easier than ever to swap out.
You know, even the function of this watch doesn't make any sense. Why do I need this watch and my smartphone on my wrist? Let me show you the Pulse Sense from Epson. It continuously monitors your heart rate and tracks your fitness levels while telling you the time. It is complementary to a smartphone, while the Pebble Time is just redundant.
That's what smart straps are for. You can put on a different one for your run to track your heart rate and maybe map out your run on GPS, and then a different strap for the business day. I think we'll be surprised with what developers can do with smart straps.
Brian, there are just way too many concerns here. You have poor battery life, unproductive form factor unless speech inputs gets improved. Fashion-wise, it just doesn't measure up to like a Rolex, a Tag, or Patek Philippe, which, you know, let's face it, business users want those watches. I think something like the Epson Pulse Sense is your best bet.
Well, it's too late. I've already placed my order.
That's an order I'm never going to make. There's one watch I won't add to my collection.
Noobs.